The rally could last a lot longer than most people expect, Jim Cramer says. A new generation of investors is getting the impression that owning individual stocks can be fun. The prior demographic, particularly the millennial cohort, learned that buying individual stocks is too. The key is knowing what you own, Cramer said. This, citing the action that gave both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 0.9% gains, and the Nasdaq Composite a 0.62% move, Cramer said the winners had one thing in common. Millennials are now investing in many companies that they recognize. You think Beyond Meat, Revolve, Chewy, and Pinterest you that have recently gone public. They are being drawn to Beyond Meat could meet. Chewy is a subscription economy play on the humanization of pets, an arena that Cramer called one. Asked. Iconic household brands are also back in style on the Wall Street fashion show, Cramer said, pointing to Procter & Gamble, Estée Lauder, PepsiCo, McDonald's, Disney, and Starbucks. The FAANG Group U Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google parent Alphabet U feels. A new class of cloud computing stocks are hot, Cramer said. The host has been after the Salesforce and Tableau software merger last week. Some investors are betting that Alphabet may need to make a move, Cramer said. Right. Disclosure: Cramer's charitable trust owns shares of Salesforce.com, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet, and Walt Disney.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.